I'm Sai Jatan. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll to the review on the Ultra Game mode in this IQ7 device. As you can see, friends, so this is a question which was asked by one of my subscribers asking me to make a video on this particular phone IQ7 device. As you can see, Ultra Game mode. So that is what this complete review I have dedicated for only for the Ultra Game mode, explaining all the features what is present in this phone. So even I will be able to give some kind of tips and tricks as well how to utilize this Ultra Game mode properly. So make sure to watch till end of the video, friends, to get to know all interesting details and is exactly variant what I'm trying to use. And if you want this punch hole wallpapers, try to check the links in description. So let me try to open the Ultra Game mode first. As you can see, so whenever you open the Ultra Game mode, you don't get any kind of any kind of animations. So whereas in the other phones like the MI and the Realme, they do have different kind of animations going on in their UIs, but in the IQ7 you don't find any of those kind of animations. So first option is a game sidebar, which is option is present. So by using this option, when you're trying to play the games, you can get shortcuts access easily. So next is a esports mode. So in this esports mode, you do get high performance differences, friends, and which will definitely minimize disturbance by blocking all the notifications and the calls and optimizing control. As you can see, optimize display, adaptive refresh rate and temperature, providing you the best experience in this kind of esports mode if you try to select. And next option is the autoplay with screen off. So there is an option as well where you can turn off the screen and the game will be playing in the background, so which we did find in other MI and Realme phones as well. So next is the enhancement experience. So this is where all the magic happens in this Ultra Game mode, friends. So let's start with the first is the game display enhancement. So using this game display enhancement, what it does is that this actually enhances the display a little bit by more saturation and more brightness. So that is what this game display enhancement is. I'll try to show you the demonstration how to utilize this game display enhancement properly while watching videos like Netflix, Amazon and YouTube, other applications, how you can actually do that. I'll try to explain you, so make sure to watch till entire video. So next is a game frame interpolation. So we're using this kind of game frame interpolation, so where you can actually increase the smoothness and frames while playing the games. So there are only few games are supported, so not all the games. So where is the this game display enhancement, most of the games and applications are supported. So in game frame interpolation, only few selected games only will be supporting. As you can see, I did install so many games, but so many games are not appearing here, like PUBG, Asphalt 9, you cannot see it here. So next is a 4D game vibration. In the 4D game vibration, you can actually feel the vibrations coming from left and right while playing the game. I'll try to demonstrate you all these features individually while playing the games. I'll try to show you, friends. And the 4D game vibrations and the game frame interpolation, one common game is there, which is a Call of Duty. I think the Call of Duty game is the luckiest game because it got permission for the game frame interpolation and 4D game vibration as well. I'll try to demonstrate you that game particularly while playing. And next is a game sound quality. This actually improves a lot of quality, friends. I did feel a lot of difference when you're trying to switch between these two modes. So definitely I can feel the difference, and you do have different type of options as well, so where you can customize the sound effects while gaming. And finally, we do have the do not disturb all the notifications, mute notification, mute call notifications. As you can see, background call, reject calls. So automatically the incoming calls will be rejected. As you can see, you can enable these options. I'll try to demonstrate those in another video explaining how you can actually do that. So this is a game picture in picture mode, as you can see. So while playing games, you can actually access the floating window of different applications. So only few applications will be supported. I'll try to explain even this feature as well while playing game. So right now, these are the few features which are available in this Ultra Game mode right now. So let's start the game by opening the Call of Duty first. So the reason why I'm opening the Call of Duty is because you'll understand, as you can see. So whenever you open any kind of game, you do get this kind of animations and effects, what is happening. So with this Call of Duty game, you're getting the sidebar. As you can see right now, you do get this kind of sidebar option. So this is what the sidebar is actually, when we should enable every time when you are trying to play the games, as you can see, friends. And in this Call of Duty game, you are getting 4D vibrations, game display enhancement and game frame interpolation, as you can see. So now you can experience really good smoothness and graphics while playing the Call of Duty in this IQ7 device. So this is a really good and interesting feature which I particularly like, friends. So which is my all-time favorite one. And in terms of the experiencing vibrations, so you should use minimum volume. So if you don't use the minimum volume, so you don't get any kind of vibration. So you at least need a little bit kind of volume to experience the vibration, friends. Anyway, when you're trying to play the game, you'll be definitely using with the volume. So right now I can feel the vibrations coming, and as I said, only few phones will be supported with the 4D vibrations, not all the games. Only few games, sorry, not phones. Only few games will be supported with the 4D vibrations, and only few games will be supported with the game frame interpolation as well. So not all the games, friends. So you need to try downloading all the games and check your luck which games are actually supported with the game frame interpolation and this kind of 4D vibrations. So definitely it feels kind of smooth if you're trying to use game frame interpolation as well. So let me try to disable the game frame interpolation and see so whether it feels smooth or not. Just little bit, but not much. So definitely the game frame interpolation will be helping you a lot, and that is what the sidebar is. And next is a game frame display enhancement. So you can see the colors, so which got brighter as soon as I select this kind of option, as you can see, friends. So the option is there, and I think when you swipe upside, so let me try to swipe upside. So when you swipe upside, you can get access to the floating windows, as you can see. So you can click on the flip cart and the flip cart will be open. In the background you can play the game, and you can minimize the flip cart as well. As you can see, the flip cart is completely minimized right now. As you can see, friends, and whenever you want flip cart, you can open and you can close it again into the small pop-up window, as you can see. So this is a quick review, friends, and let me try to show you another details about let me try to kill them first, and let me try to show you. And the vibrations are really good while playing the game. So I really like the vibrations overall while playing the game. So not much issues. And these are the few details, friends, when you're trying to play the game. So first thing, so you can use this game display enhancement not only while playing games but also while watching videos. Let me try to show you. As I said, I did enable in the couple of other applications like Disney Plus and KM Player and Amazon Prime videos as well, as you can see, friends. So now let me try to demonstrate you how to use. And whenever you try to open the game player, so whenever you try to play the video, so let me try to play the video right now, so you can actually see the difference what is happening while playing the videos. So right now I'm trying to play the video, friends, and here is the game frame interpolation option. So this is how you can use even while watching videos, while watching Amazon Prime, and only few applications will be supported, friends, not all the applications. So YouTube is not supported at the moment with this kind of feature. So this is a quick in-depth review of how to use this Ultra game mode properly, and only two things you need to remember. Only few games will support game frame interpolation, and only few games will support 4D vibrations, not all the games. So this is one thing you need to remember, not all the games, only few games. That's a quite disappointment right now. So maybe in the future they might add into other games as well. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. This is a quick in-depth complete tutorial about the Ultra game mode, and make sure to comment below in case if you're having any other doubts, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.